We at First Family here, we try to do the best we can to make sure that we service your car with quality products. Speed is not everything. We look at quality. We're going to do it right the first time. If you're coming back to us, it's not for what we worked on before, it's something new. Partsology, what I like about them, they take care of the logistic part. Also, I like the personal service. I can call up someone. You can't do that with every company. You know, a lot of companies, you got all them chains you got to go through. If you want to speak to so-and-so, push 1. If you want to speak to John, press 2. I'm always saying I like to be able to speak to people directly. That's what I like about it, you know. The bigger thing is the price. The price is very competitive. I don't work for myself. People think you work for yourself. No. Every time a customer come up, I have what? That's my manager for the day. And I need to do what? Solve whatever problem that they have to make sure that his car working properly for him.